If you've been thinking of starting a faceless YouTube automation channel and you're not sure where to start, this is the only video you need to watch. I'm running through the 10 best niches that are perfect for faceless videos, where you don't have to record anything, that have a lot of money-making potential, and which people actually want to binge watch. If you want a more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to automate and run your YouTube channel, stay until the end of the video because I'll be sharing a secret community of YouTube experts who give actionable advice for free. Niche 1. Let's start with one of the hottest niches out there, making money online with AI. Channels like How to AI are killing it in this niche. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Midjourney are everywhere right now, and people are obsessed with finding ways to use them to earn money. Here's how you can tap into this. You could create videos that show how ChatGPT can be used to write professional resumes, create winning freelance proposals, or even generate social media content for businesses. AI art is another great sub-niche. Tools like DALL-E and Midjourney let you create jaw-dropping digital artwork with just a few prompts, and people are turning this into actual businesses by selling prints, custom designs, or even merch. The trick is to focus on tutorials, case studies, or success stories that teach viewers how to make money step by step. Your channel becomes a go-to resource, and before you know it, you've built a loyal following of people who trust you to keep them ahead of the curve. Niche 2. Next up is a niche that's not just profitable, but genuinely life-changing: basic financial education. Alex does a great job with this. Their videos teach basic financial education, but frame it in a really interesting way that doesn't feel like a lecture. No wonder why they're making over $10,000 a month from ad revenue alone. Affiliate marketing and sponsorships do great in this niche too. Most people didn't learn how to manage their money in school, and they're out here Googling terms like how to budget or what's a 401k because they're overwhelmed. You could break down the basics of budgeting in a way that feels approachable. Show people how to create a plan that actually works for their lifestyle, not some one-size-fits-all nonsense. Then there's debt management, how to prioritize paying off high-interest debt, or use snowball and avalanche methods to crush credit card balances. With a bit of research and clear, simple explanations, you could turn these topics into binge-worthy content that helps people feel empowered about their finances. Niche 3. This one's different because it's about pure entertainment, not about teaching anyone anything. Horror and scary story videos. If you've ever gone down a rabbit hole of creepy stories late at night, you know exactly how addicting these can be. People love to be scared, and this niche lets you deliver that thrill without ever needing to show your face. Chilling Scares is crushing it in this niche and making over $78,000 a month from their videos, which focus on true horror content. You could also focus on urban legends, like the classic Slender Man story, or lesser-known tales from different cultures. Or dive into true crime with a spooky twist, covering unsolved mysteries or eerie cases with bizarre twists. And if you're feeling creative, narrating original horror stories or creepypastas can really set your channel apart. The key here is to match the vibe, use unsettling music, dark visuals, and a slow, suspenseful tone in your voiceovers to keep viewers hooked. This niche is always in demand because, let's face it, people love a good scare. Niche 4. Now, if you're more into big picture stuff, business documentaries could be a perfect fit. This niche is all about taking a deep dive into the stories behind companies we all know and love, or hate. Company Man does a great job in this niche, with quite simple videos that are making over $5,000 per month in ad revenue alone. Think about Netflix's rise to dominate streaming, or the epic fall of Blockbuster. You could look at what made Amazon so successful, or even dig into business scandals, like what happened with WeWork or Theranos. People are fascinated by these stories because they're equal parts inspiring and dramatic. These videos not only attract viewers who want to learn, but also pull in a high-value audience, which means better ad revenue for you. Niche 5. On a completely different note, let's talk about ancient philosophy. There's a massive audience of people looking for practical advice on living a better life, and they're turning to ancient wisdom for answers. Einzelgänger is a great philosophy channel that has a crazy, loyal audience. Their videos are genuinely interesting and are making them over $6,000 a month from ad revenue alone. You could make videos explaining stoicism, how to stay calm and resilient when life throws curveballs, or Epicureanism, which is all about finding happiness in the simple things. You could even take famous quotes from philosophers like Seneca or Marcus Aurelius and break down what they mean in today's world. If you can make intellectual content relatable, people will eat it up. Niche 6. If you're into storytelling, moral stories are another amazing option. These are the types of videos that resonate with people on a personal level because they deliver life lessons in a memorable way. Bible Project is an interesting example of this niche that focuses on stories from and related to the Bible. The channel pulls in almost $20,000 a month while sharing some great messages. Religion is one sub-niche you could focus on. You could also adapt folk tales or legends from different cultures, like the classic story of the tortoise and the hare. Or you could share real-life inspirational stories, like someone overcoming impossible odds to achieve their goals. The beauty of this niche is its universal appeal. It works for kids, adults, and everyone in between. These videos tend to be super shareable, which means they're great for building an audience quickly. Niche 7. Anime self-help videos might sound super niche, but trust me, there's real potential here. Anime fans are incredibly passionate, and they connect deeply with the characters and stories. Lessons from Anime is a great example. They use anime to talk about wider topics in an interesting way. No wonder they're making over $8,000 a month from just ad revenue. You could use moments from popular shows like My Hero Academia or Attack on Titan to illustrate self-improvement lessons. For example, show how Deku's journey is a perfect example of persistence paying off, or how Naruto teaches the importance of believing in yourself even when the odds are stacked against you. By combining clips and commentary, you're creating content that feels fresh, entertaining, and genuinely valuable. Plus, you're tapping into one of the most loyal fan bases out there. Niche 8. You don't need to be jet-setting yourself to create amazing content in the travel niche. Toropia is a great example of this, pulling in around $7,000 in ad revenue alone from their Faceless videos. Use free stock footage and research to create detailed guides about top destinations, like the best things to do in Tokyo, or how to plan a budget trip to Europe. You could focus on hidden gems, like underrated spots in Thailand that most tourists miss, or practical tips, like how to pack for a long trip or avoid common travel scams. Travel content is evergreen and always inspiring. People watch it to plan trips, but also to escape and dream. Niche 9. Sports news and analysis is another strong contender, especially if you're a fan. House of Highlights is completely crushing it in this niche, making around $1.6 million a month from ad revenue. You could create videos recapping big games, breaking down player stats, or analyzing team strategies. If you want to stand out, focus on storytelling, like the history of a famous rivalry or how an underdog team made it to the top. Sports content is high energy and always relevant, especially during major events like the Super Bowl or the Olympics. Niche 10. Animals are another brilliant niche. ZFrank is making over $10,000 a month by posting all sorts of interesting videos about animals. Animal lovers are a great loyal audience to have. And here's an interesting sub-niche I've come across: pet training and pet owner education. You could create videos teaching basic commands like sit or stay, or tackle common issues like leash pulling or excessive barking. If you're not a trainer or vet, that's okay. Just do solid research and focus on practical, actionable advice that helps pet owners solve their problems. This sub-niche has huge potential because pet parents are always looking for ways to improve their furry friends' lives. In fact, every one of these niches has massive potential. The key is to pick one that excites you, stay consistent, and always aim to deliver real value. If you have any questions about YouTube automation, or if you want to learn about more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And, again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. Which of these niches are you considering? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful or interesting, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.